guys, it's Georgia. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're here at the beautiful Cullen River. And in my last video you met my sister Nikki, but today you're going to meet my big brother Ryan, and he's going to be starring in his first ever rowing regatta. And it's been a lot of years since Maryborough State High School have rowed in a regatta, so let's see how they go. Here is the rowboat down there touching the water for the first time in 25 years.
Yeah.
I can tell. I don't think they've been in the yellow. I would whistle loudly, but I sort of can't.
Yeah. You see,
Oh, someone kept that. Oh, they did. Oh, that's Jack and I.
come on. Come on. Don't let Jinjin catch you.
With me, Mr. Don, Maryborough High Principal, and the self-appointed rowing captain, and my big brother Ryan. Mr. Don, so after 25 years, why did you think it would be a good idea to bring rowing back to Maryborough State High?
Well, it's a sport that Maryborough used to be very, very good at. It's a sport that no one else in our area does. And so as a result, it was something that I thought was important to bring back to the school and put some more interest into the school.
After today, and after spending so much time with people like Ryan, do you still think it's a good idea?
I must be a sucker for punishment because we're coming back again in 3 weeks. Maybe not Ryan.
Oh, thanks.
Have you ever rowed in a regatta? If yes, how did you go? If no, why not?
He's old.
Yeah, because I'm old.
He's old.
Yes, I did it once. The boats were wooden. When I was at school, I had a little bit of rowing, but aside from that, no, I haven't done anything recently. But I'm starting to get back into the sport the same way these guys are.
We all know how good Ryan thinks he is.
Yep.
After watching him today, do you think he is as good as he says, or could he put in a bit more effort?
Oh, look, you know Ryan. He can always put in a bit more effort. So he'll
Probably true, yeah.
It's all right, eh? Yeah. But right. Unfortunately, Ryan is very good at. He's a very self-confident young man. Unfortunately, in this case, he is actually as good as he says he is. So, but everyone has the opportunity for some improvement. So, yeah, particularly in a single. If you want to actually see him level him out, put him in a single because he keeps he learns to swim a lot.
Hey, I'm in capsize, single.
Oh, righto.
Right. How did you feel being the first competitor to row for the school in 25 years?
It's a good feeling. Being the first one in 25 years. Get back on the water. Show other schools what we have. Nice. Didn't come last. What did we come?
Fourth, I think.
Fourth?
Yeah.
Didn't come last. That's all that matters.
And nearly third, which is even better.
Why did you start doing rowing?
That's a good question.
Why did I start?
Wasn't it about
Donnie put something on Facebook and Mum was like, oh yeah,
have a crack?
have a crack. Ryan does all the different types of sport.
Here's one more.
Sure he'd like this.
You have been talking yourself up a bit. Did you go as good as you thought you would?
A bit, so he's toned himself down, is he? It's usually a lot.
Oh, thanks. Feel like we went all right. Yeah. Donnie said I was going all right, so
Yeah, he did all right.
After today, do you think it's a sport you want to keep doing?
yeah. Do it all through school. Depends how good I get. See if I do it.
Make him row to Fraser.
Make him row afraid. Now, yeah, that's a whole different level.
Yeah.
Thank you both for joining me, and good luck with your future races.
Right. Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Today, unfortunately, I didn't get a souvenir, but I'll always remember this moment because it was really special watching Maryborough High row for the first time in 25 years. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video, and make today an adventure. See ya!